Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the role and basic info. Now begin. Go to Dashboard or Site Administration and choose Add New Course. Enter the full course name and short name so Moodle can index it correctly, then pick a visible start date. Once done, set the course format and weekly or topic layout because that determines activity placement. Make sure to choose the right language and category. This affects defaults and how students find the course in the catalog. Now refine settings and add structure. Open course settings and paste the summary to explain goals. Include a header image to help orientation. Next, configure enrollment methods. Enable self-enrollment for public access or manual for controlled intake, because that controls student flow. Then set up groups and groupings if you segment learners. Enable activity completion to track progress, and configure gradebook aggregation. Finish by populating the course with learning items. Add activities like assignments and quizzes, explaining why each tool meets the learning objective. For example, use a forum for discussion and quizzes for mastery checks. Configure due dates, grading, and any conditional access so students unlock modules sequentially. Once configured, preview the course as a student or enroll a test account to verify flows. If something breaks, clear caches, check role permissions, and confirm enrollment methods to troubleshoot access issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.